Good morning and welcome back to Darwin. Today's video is about how to take a COVID test, the RAT. I've had a text from the Northern Territory government saying that I've been in a hotspot where somebody else has tested positive to the COVID Omicron variant. So I will go out and find some RAT kits, and I'll show you what's involved in doing the home test. Okay, so I found these at Chemist Warehouse. This is a 2-pack. I paid $20 for it, so $10 each is about the right price. There are some places asking a lot more for them, so just keep a lookout that you're not paying too much. Okay, so inside the box we've got the bits and pieces we need to do this home test. So there's a fairly good instruction manual that tells you the steps to go through. So the first one is go and give your hands a good wash. Then we can open up the packets, and we've got the testing cassette there, the nasal swab, and the solution that you put the swab into. Alright, so I'll just open them up now and I will do the test. Okay, so we'll open up the testing cassette. That's just your silica gel, don't need that. So yeah, that's the actual testing cassette. Alright, so here we have the swab. We've got the solution here, and we've got the little cap which helps drop it into the cassette. Okay, so we'll open that up. Alright, so that's the solution. So we need to tear off this top piece. In the box there's actually a hole where you can put that in, and that will keep it upright because you'll need 2 hands. Okay, and that will be the dropper that we will put in there. So we'll just put that there for now. Okay, this is the swab. So you put that up each nostril and for about 10 seconds. So you push it in about 2.5 centimeters for each nostril, and swizzle it about and then put it into the solution. So we'll just open that up. So you only want to touch this end so you don't contaminate the other end. And so there it is. So I'll do that test now. Okay, so we're going to put that in the solution. Apparently 10 or 15 seconds. Swizzle it about in the solution. Alright, that should be sufficient. So what we're going to do is, as we can squeeze that so it gets all the solution off the actual swab. Okay, we'll just put the swab aside. So this is where we put the cap on, push that on, so we now have the cap on there with the solution. Okay, so what we're going to do is put some drops, apparently about 4 drops, into the site where it says S, not on the CT. So we're going to drop about 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now immediately you can see that the test is working, and the C is a control, so we should get a line there. This takes anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. So it's just doing its test now. So it appears to be working. Now already we can see the control line there. So we'll leave it for about 15 minutes, and if we get a line at the T, that's where we know it's a positive. Okay, so we've just been waiting approximately 15 minutes, and we can see there that it's a negative. When there's a line at the T, that's a positive. So there's a good guide that tells you all about it. The C is a control which comes up fairly quickly as soon as you put the 4 droplets into the little section there, if you can see that. Okay. So that's an easy way to do that at home. Probably it doesn't hurt. About the uncomfortable part is when you have to put the swab up your nostril, approximately 2.5 centimetres, and just squizzle it about for about 10 seconds, and then you do the other side. So left and right nostril, and then straight into the solution, and you can do your test. So fairly straightforward. If you do get a positive, you're required to go to the NT government website and report that, and they'll advise you of the appropriate actions to take. Okay, thank you.